Hello, this is Henry, and I would like to share my trades from today. First up, we have BP. BP, I observed putting in a level at 23.64 here on the 15-minute chart, back here at 4 a.m., here at 7:45, and we get a third touch here at 10:30. We'll zoom in for a better look at my entry. I take an entry here at 23.52 with the stop back here of 23.40, which is the low of this 10:15 candle. We get a push and we actually get to the 23.64 level and sells back off, but we get the third touch here. And then here in the 10:45 candle, we break through the 10.64 level, but this ticker looked pretty weak to me as it broke through the level. It looked like it may just be a false breakout, so I exited my position here at 23.55. I kept watching BP. You can see this dark gray line here is my non-EMA and how it's just been riding this non-EMA. So at the time I continued to watch it. It was holding support here, so I took another entry here at 23.57 with the stop down here at 23.47, which is just below this 11 a.m. candle, and also this volume point of control here on the 15-minute. And we get some consolidation here in the 11:15 candle, and I decided to add to my position at 23.57, which was my original entry. Moved my stop up to 23.52 and took my first partial up here at 23.67. And as it began to fail this 23.64 level, I exited my entire position here at 23.63. And as you can see, it continued to consolidate, and here we get the volume that comes in on this 12:45 candle, and it actually starts to make a little move up here. And next up we have AIG. AIG, I observed setting up primarily on the 15-minute, putting in a level at 29.95, which we can see correlates with this volume point of control, which is this bar here, this gray bar that you can see better here in the green here on the 15-minute. This volume point of control was controlling at this time here between 10:30 and 11:30. So we get the first touch at 29.95 here at 10:45. We get it again here at 11, and this is happening on pullback, and it comes back and just shy of the VWAP, which is right here on the 15-minute. And then for clarity on the 60-minute, you'll see the descending triangle forming there. So I take my entry here at 30 flat here, and I put my stop up here at 30.08. I was watching AIG as it was consolidating around the $30 mark, and as it was consolidating, it never really made it up past 30.04. So I put my stop at 30.08. It felt pretty secure for the risk of how this was moving. Then we can see here in this 11:45 candle, we get more consolidation here, and this tested the 30.05 level and then began to sell off. And I take profits here at 84, 73, 63, 53. Had another target down here at 44, but it doesn't look like we'll make it. But we got some really good volume right here in this 12:30 candle here. And now it's been hovering here along this non-EMA, and it's been testing this non-EMA. We can see here it came back up here to test the breakout level of the 29.95 here. But it's been pretty weak on the day, down 7%. So I decided to let the last few shares that I have here hang on to see if we can catch another profit target or two. But those are my trades for today. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for checking out my trades, and happy trading.